Application methods for dogs. So there's 3 ways that you can use essential oils with your dogs. Just like with people, you can use it aromatically, topically, and internally. Diffusing with dogs, an example of diffusing an essential oil is basically putting 3 to 4 drops of essential oil such as peace, balance, or serenity in your diffuser. Put it on a 10-hour setting, which is really great because it will be on for 5 minutes and off for 5 minutes, and it can go all day. It's perfect if you have dogs in the house. Just 3 to 4 drops of essential oil is all you need. Put the diffuser in an area that's in an open room with the doors open so that the dog can leave if they want, and it will totally calm down your dog. Similar to balance, peace, serenity are really great choices for diffusing. Now, essential oil brands matter. And when it comes to essential oils, super duper, really, really important, it matters the brand that you're using. Of course, I am talking about doTERRA brand essential oils, and that's what I use in my home for my family and for our dogs. And the reason is because other brands of essential oils just don't cut it. Some of them have contaminants, some of them have fragrances, some of them have fillers in them. I actually had somebody contact me and told me that they were diffusing another brand of lavender essential oil for their cat, and her cat actually had problems, but health problems. So now she diffuses doTERRA lavender all the time for her cat with 0 health problems. So that's just one example of the brand that matters. You can go to Shoppers Drug Mart and the health food store and get your oils, but I cannot guarantee that they are certified pure, therapeutic grade essential oils.